Friends, today I'm going to discuss with you what we are doing for our summative for Unit 0. So this is a culminating activity that kind of draws together a lot of the things that we have been talking about so far. So you are going to write me an email that is going to include all 8 tips that we talked about in the last lesson, and it is going to include a SMART goal. And in that SMART goal, you are going to make it an academic goal for the first 9 weeks of school. Now, it doesn't have to be for English specifically, but it does need to be a goal. Remember, it needs to be SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. Okay, so that will be in the content of your email. Attached to your email as a PDF will be an introductory letter that you have typed. And I'm going to give you the content of this letter, but I'm going to give you a few logistics first. It is going to be a single space, 1-page typed letter in a 12-point font that is easy to read in terms of both type and color. Make sure that you sign the letter with your name that you prefer to be called, as well as with the phonetic spelling of your name. And if you're not familiar with phonetic spelling, that means pronunciation, right? So how is your name pronounced? So in this introductory letter, you're going to make sure that you address it to me, Ms. Jalevka, and you are going to include 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is going to be about who you are as a person. What do you enjoy? What do you not enjoy? What do you do for fun? Extracurriculars? Anything that I should know about you that you feel is important? Then you're going to give me 1 paragraph about your high school career so far, including why you decided to choose FISD Plus. So this can be everything from freshman year forwards, the things that you've loved, the things that you haven't, productions you've been in, sports that you've played, things that you've experimented with in chemistry or in biology that you had a great time with, whatever it is. Just a paragraph about your high school career so far. But make sure that you include why you decided to go online with FISD Plus. And finally, 1 paragraph about what you are most looking forward to this year, both personally and academically. So, what is exciting you? What are you having a good time thinking about? And what's really getting you going in terms of your academic career? Being online has its own advantages, but there's some downsides too. So for many of you, you're hybrid, and you get the benefits of doing UIL and athletics and art and band and dance and all of that good stuff, right? So maybe you're looking forward to something in that. Maybe you're just looking forward to new friends. Maybe you're looking forward to the college admissions process. Maybe you are looking forward to really diving into calculus because you're really interested in math or in physics, or you absolutely love English and you're excited to find out what we're going to read. Whatever it is, what are you looking forward to? And you can also include those personal things. What's happening outside of school in the next year that you're looking forward to? So remember, this is going to be a single-spaced page typed in a 12-point font that is easy to read, both color and the type of font that you choose to use. Sign your name with what you prefer to be called. Attach it as an email if you don't know how to do that. Refer to your Unit 0 Lesson 5 Hyperdoc or Unit 0 Lesson 6 if you are in AP Language, and you will see a video that shows you how to download a PDF from Google Docs and then attach it as an email. If you have any questions or you run into any issues, please contact me. I am here to help. And next week, we are going to move on into Unit 1, which is full of content that I really hope you're going to enjoy.